Hello my friends, this is FPS Holland again, and today we're going to shoot Edward again because he survived the last time. Today I'm using the Sig Sauer FB 2022.
Friends, now my comrade is going to shoot Edward again.
Okay my friends, this time Edward really